e-commerce, fulfillment services, and logistics, time means money. Warehouses are getting bigger and taller. Operators need to scan items from short, medium, and long ranges, yet achieve operational efficiency. Introducing the Powerscan 9600 Auto Range Series, the latest addition to the best-selling Powerscan 9600 family. One device that reads barcodes from a few inches up to an incredible 65 feet. With different models to suit any customer need, corded, cordless, and cordless with display. Outstanding performance, increasing efficiency and productivity. One device for scanning pallets from a forklift or when walking amongst multiple tiered high shelves. Built for the harshest environments, withstanding drops, dust, and water. Wireless charging, no more device failures due to damaged or dirty charging contacts. Smart, predictive feedback on performance and remaining battery life for unbeatable total cost of ownership. Communication is key. Datalogic Star Network and Bluetooth capabilities for constant connectivity and real-time user feedback. Hardware and services go hand in hand. Our ease of care programs protects your investment. Upgrade your warehouse operations with Powerscan 9600 Auto Range Scanner and take your business to new heights. Powerscan 9600 Auto Range. Extreme flexibility in a super reliable device.